Greetings, a miracle in motion. Have you ever heard the word matrix? Maybe you have. I'm pretty sure you have, because matrix has become common knowledge, more or less, I suppose. Maybe from the movie. If you haven't seen it, I'm surprised. And since that day, Matrix has become some sort of a dream world in which we are not really alive, but we are just some sort of victims or prisoners even. And the Matrix has been vilified and generally seen as something that is an illusion or a prison or something to escape from. And this might be just another way to vilify the feminine. How come? Well, because the word matrix actually means womb. The matrix is a womb. Here, this is from my favorite, one of my favorite sites, etymonline.com. Matrix, uterus womb, from Old French, womb uterus, and directly from Latin. Matrix, pregnant animal, in late Latin, womb, also source, origin, from mater, which means mother. So matrix is actually another word for womb, from source, for source, origin. So to me, matrix, we are in a matrix. Of that I am pretty sure. So we are in a matrix. We are in the womb as humanity. And what happens just before birth? Well, I haven't given birth, but as far as I understand, the contractions come stronger and more frequent. And if we look at humanity, if we look at the world today, it seems the contractions are getting stronger and more frequent. So what womb is this? Well, it might be that we as humanity are in the womb of Gaia Sophia. We are in the matrix, true, but the matrix is the womb of this infinite divine goddess. So the matrix to me is a place in which we are formed and transformed so we can be born into what we truly are. Remember the original dream and continue on this open-ended story as Humanity, the Unlimited Edition. So next time you hear the word matrix, I hope, or I wish, or it would be really cool anyway, if you thought, okay, matrix actually means womb, and it comes from the word mother. But this is the thing nowadays. Words that used to be filled with power and meaning has been hijacked and used in other ways. I remember watching the movie Matrix. It kind of changed my life because I thought, whoop, am I really experiencing this? Or is this just a dream? But then again, now I see myself as an experiential mystic, and the direct experience is what is true to me. If I experience wind against my face, that is real. And Earth is truly the paradise we are striving for. We just got hijacked along the way, but things are returning to plan, returning to original dream. Anyway, matrix. Matrix means womb. Humanity is in a matrix, and we are soon to be born to our true reality. As always, I truly, truly wish you and your loved ones all the best, and may you remember who you are. May you remember who you are.